Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, I have some beautiful strawberries here. I got it in the supermarket. This season we are now, we have a lot of strawberry. When you go to the supermarket, you find a lot of beautiful strawberries. So I got this for myself and I decided to share this recipe with you all. So guys, I want to say a very big thank you to you all guys that have already subscribed to my channel. I'm so happy. We are now one big family and I'm happy to have you guys as my family. So please, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and you are welcome also to this channel. I'm really happy to have you in this channel. So don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Hit the notification bell so you will never miss any video that I upload. Thank you so much. I love you all guys. So now guys, I have some strawberries, 2 oranges and 1 lemon and sugar. So these are the few ingredients we are going to use for this recipe. It's so easy and fast and so good. Guys, try it out and please try to watch the video to the end so that you will see the way I do it. Thanks so much. Now let's get started. So guys, this is the end of this video. As you can see, our strawberries is ready. You can do this at home. Just leave it in your fridge when you are coming back from a hot sun. Guys, try this out. You will love it so much. It's so easy to do and I'm happy to share this recipe with you guys. And I want to say a big thank you to my old subscribers. You are my lovely family now and I'm happy to have you as my families. So guys, this is the end of this recipe and I'm going to see you in my next video. Please guys, before you leave, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, leave a comment and hit the notification bell so that you will never miss any of my videos. I miss you guys. I don't even know what to say. I just want to say I love you all guys, because love conquers everything. Love is the key to everything. Bye everyone. Ciao.